For me, the uses of a plant in a campus is that it helps reduce stress, and it also increases in productivity, reduce sickness, means less stress, makes campus more attractive and relaxing, and also it reduces noise. Most importantly, it gives some fresh air. It helps students to be more attentive, more productive, and to study more peacefully. Lourdes also promotes stability and learning. And to entertain kids, just like playing in those slides and in those seesaws. And it also emphasizes our nature, guys. There's nothing special in a playground that is surrounded by trees. Our theory room gives such an importance to our nature. It literally means that OLLC is giving or paying attention to our environment. And now, for our school advancements, we got locker, room, faculty, gym, canteen, fort, safety and security, TV, and others.